YouTube, it's Ceejaybrand, and today we're going to be doing Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back. We are back today with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Today we're going to be taking a look at these TrueFree Plus headphones that I found on Amazon a couple weeks ago. We're just going to be testing these headphones out, seeing if these are some perfect headphones that you should go out and purchase for your loved ones. Christmas is just around the corner, man. So stay tuned because we're going to be unboxing this item straight after this. All right, you guys, so we are back in. We went ahead and got our knife from carve.com. Of course, you guys haven't seen that video. Make sure you guys go to check.carve.com. You guys go pick yourself up some beautiful knives. Some nice knives, for your unboxing videos or hunting or do whatever you want to do. Also, we got some phone cases as well, phone chargers, whole lot of extra stuff, man. Check that video out, you guys. But let's go and get into this. Let's go and get straight into this unboxing video. All right, so let's turn this on. Let's see where we can slice this box open. Okay, here we go. I guess we can start from here. There we go. I'm like, I guess. Technically. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna rip the plastic off. I'm like, I'm not gonna, risk cutting myself. And I do apologize about my voice. I am a bit sick, but hey. Gotta make this magic work. You guys, so we have found these TrueFree Plus wireless headphones, like I said, on Amazon. These are from SoundPEATS themselves. I'm not for sure nor familiar with this company. I've never really heard of them before, but hopefully, hopefully we got, a very nice review about them today. I mean, I don't think that these would be, anything bad, but I'm curious to figure out, what we got. It's a very nice box design for one, nice matte box. Covering over them. Okay, so these are the headphones themselves, and they got some dope textures on them for one. I guess a stripe texture that we do have on these headphones, so that's pretty dope. I think you guys can see, trying that new lens we got as well. So hopefully you guys was able to see that texture. But also inside the box we do have, of course, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the charging cable for it, and I guess some wirings as well. Oh yeah, cool. So, ooh, is this a USB-C? I'll just rip that open. Ah, nah. Dang. Okay. So it looks like that this right here is not taking a USB-C. This is going to be, I guess, a micro USB-B or something like that. I don't never know. I just call it an Android charger, the old Android charger that we were normally using before. So maybe that's that. But let's put that charger to the side. And paperwork, I guess, yeah, I think paperwork here at the bottom. So, all right, cool. So that's that. Put that to the side. Let's go ahead and take a look at these headphones themselves. Like I said, SoundPEATS. The case overall has a cheap design. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's very plasticky. If you guys can hear that clap, it's not really. It ain't really all that. But here go the headphones themselves. Oh, take them straight out the case, and they are already trying to connect. So let's go ahead and get our iPad right quick, and we're going to see if we can hook this up to test out some sound quality from it right quick. But little more headphones, man. I mean, they're not bad. Look, I forget we gotta cover our whole entire face, player, so y'all can see a little something right there. Let's see. Let's go to our Bluetooth settings. SoundPEATS TrueFree Plus. So let's go ahead and do a quick sound check, man, and let's see if we are digging these things. And we got left and right indicators, so this is gonna be the right. So how do they? Okay. All right, man. Let's test it out now. Okay. Yeah. All right, man. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Hey, I'll be real with you. Normally, we come on here and we'll test some headphones out, and the headphones don't really get me jigging like that. But Yo, for some $30 headphones, I think these were 30 bucks. I forget, I had ordered these a couple weeks ago, like I said. But for $30 headphones, man, it's not that bad. The bass is great. The build quality of it is very cheap. But I mean, at the same time, you know, you really ain't trying to, you know, spend over $100 or 50 bucks, or, you know, to get some good quality headphones. Some other things about this that you guys do want to keep in mind as well before you do purchase this: the battery life, it is approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. Outside of the case, that's after one charge. And it looks like you get to charge up these headphones approximately 9 to 10 times. So you'll have a total of like 36 total playtime with the headphones. We also have Bluetooth 5.0. I think we're on Bluetooth. We're higher than 5.0. I know that for a fact. And then these also have auto pairing, like I said. So since we do already have it connected to the iPad, we can obviously just go ahead and put it back in our ears. And I think these also have the touch UI. Yeah. Okay, so we do have touch UI as well. But how the heck do you play the music? Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay, let's see if we can play music like this. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's dope, man. I mean, yeah, that's that, man. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, the build quality is pretty crappy, but ultimately, like I said, it's $30 headphones. We do have this bulk design, so it is bigger, I think, than a standard. Yeah, I don't have my AirPod case on me, but it's definitely bigger than an AirPod case. 30 bucks from SoundPEATS. This is a TrueFree Plus wireless headphones. Battery life is not bad. Like I said, you get 36 hours in total playtime between each and every charge. The case itself charges up 9 to 10 times. That's not bad at all, man. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. And that's pretty much all we got for today's video, man. So till next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.